Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. In this video, we are going to solve our worksheet. This worksheet is from your book. If you don't have your book, you can print it from your application. So, it's enough to bring your book now to start solving it together. Exercise 1 in your book, page 138. Circle the letter of the best answer. Number 1. Even on the coldest winter days, there is some heat in the air. Almost all of the heat in the air comes from Part A. Forest fires, B. The wind, or C. The sun. As you know, the main source of the heat is the sun. Even in the coldest winter, the sun will heat the air. Part 2. What makes the snow melt? The forest fires, the trees, or the soil? Which one? Melt due to heat. And this heat comes from where? From the forest fire, or from the trees, or from the soil? Are trees or soil are sources of heat? So what is the source of heat here? The forest fire. Excellent. Part 3. Rubbing your hands together makes them feel. Try to rub your hands together. How do you feel now? Your hands feel hot. Excellent. It's not cold and not dry. Part 4. Which of these are sources of heat? Part A. Sun, fire, oven gas. Part B. Sun, table, radio. C. Pencil, eraser, and door. So, which one? Is part C, pencil, eraser, and door are sources of heat? Can I use pencil to get some heat, or eraser or the door? Sure, no. Is sun a source of a heat? Yes. But table? No. Radio? Also no. Part A, here we have sun is a main source of the heat. Fire also is a source of heat. Oven gas? Excellent. So what is the correct answer here? Part A. Sun, fire, oven gas are the sources of heat. Part 5. When fuel is burned, wind is produced. Part B. Heat is produced. Part C. Heat and light are produced. Example, turn on your gas stove in your kitchen and turn off the light from your lamp. So, what did you get? Do you get only heat from this oven or also light? So, when fuel is burned, heat and light are produced. Excellent. Now, part 6. This experiment shows that Part A. Liquids expand when heated. Or Part B. Liquids contract when heated. Or C. Liquids contract when cooled. First, I have to look well at the experiment. What do we have inside the jar? We have liquid, as you see. First, when I close this bottle and I place this straw, the water or the liquid level gets into mark number 1, as you see, till here. After that, we have candle, and candle is a source of heat. So I am heating this liquid. What happens? The liquid inside it get to mark number 2. What can I conclude here? First, I am heating or I am cooling? I am heating. So part C is not the answer. Here we have part A and B. Liquids expand when heated or liquids contract when heated. The difference between expand and contract, expand means increases in size, while contracts means decreases in size. So, what can you conclude here? Liquids expand when heated. Excellent, because the level of liquid increases from mark number 1 to mark number 2. So, upon heating liquids, the liquids will expand. Now, part 7. Why are telephone lines allowed to sag between poles? Part A. Because they will contract and pull when cooled in winter, or when Part B. They will expand and pull when cooled in winter, or C. For the birds to rest on them. So, what happens in winter? They contract or they expand. They are sucked, they are pulled down. So, because in winter they will contract and they will decreases in size. So, part A is the correct answer. Now, part 8. Most solids, liquids, and gases expand when they are heated, cooled, or placed in a freezer. Expand. That's about our lesson. So solids, liquids, and gases expand when they are heated. Excellent. When an object expands, it increases in size, it decreases in size, or its size remains as the same. So, what do you conclude? We have already finished this part. As I said, when the solid, liquids, or gas expand, means it increases in size. It takes more space. Good. Let us move to the next page now. Part 10 in the same page 139. A balloon will expand, contract, remain as it is if it is left in the closed car parked in the sun. We have a closed car parked in the sun and the balloon is inside it. The car is heated due to the sun and the balloon also is heated. So what happens to this balloon which is found inside the car? It will expand, contract, or remain as it is. I said expand, it increases in size, contract, it decreases in size, or remain as it. So, what is the correct answer here? What do we have inside the balloon? We have gas particles. These gas particles, when heated, they will expand, they will move away from each other, so they will take more space. What happens to this balloon? It will increases in its size, so it will expand. Excellent. Part 11. These balloons were of the same size. Which balloon has been left in the refrigerator? Refrigerator is a source of heat? No. When I put the thing inside the refrigerator, it is cooled. So what happens to the size of the balloon? It will increase or it will decrease. If I heat the balloon, it will expand, so increase in size. So when I cooled it, it will contract and decreases in size. So which balloon here has been left in the refrigerator? The one with the smaller size, and the answer will be balloon B. Excellent, guys. The next exercise, page 140. I have to match each home appliance with how we use it. We have for heating food, for drying our hair, for ironing clothes, for heating the air. As I see, we have many home appliance. Each one has its own action. We have the microwave. We used it in order to heat our food. Excellent. We have iron. We have heater. We have gas stove. We have hair dryer. We have another heater. So, which one also is used for heating food? The oven. Excellent. Now, for drying our hair, which one is the hair dryer? Excellent. For ironing clothes, I use the iron. Excellent. Now, for heating the air, we have two things as you see. We have electric heater and the gas heater. So these are the home appliance and how we use them. Thank you guys for doing your worksheet. I hope you solved it correctly. And if you have any question, I will be ready to answer you in our office hour. Thank you guys and goodbye. Stay safe.